Hello, my name is Patricia. I'm the site manager of the World Heritage Site town of Bamberg. At the upcoming General Assembly, we would like to discuss with you a vision for the future of our network, combining scientific rigor and practical relevance.
Hello everybody. It's quite a windy day here at Zeche Zollverein, the World Heritage Site in Essen, Germany. My name is Klaus Zehbe. I am a postdoc researcher at TU Dortmund University and I'm your membership officer at the International Association of World Heritage Professionals.
Yes, here in the Rems Valley in Stuttgart is also a bit windy today. My name is Rolf. I am an architect and a regional planner, and I am very happy to join you in this journey.
Hi, I'm Manana from Tbilisi, Georgia, and I look forward to welcoming you, all the members, returning and new ones. And I'm also very much looking forward to hearing from you what you want the association to be like. What are your project ideas? How do you want to cooperate?
Hello, I'm Miki. I am a researcher at the Department Ecology, Brandenburg University of Technology, Cottbus-Senftenberg. I look forward to seeing you at the General Assembly on the 27th of March.
Currently, we have 77 members all across the globe. Each pin on this globe marks the location of one of our members. So please do join us, and I'm happy to welcome you all at our General Assembly this March.
Nos vemos en la asamblea. Adiós.
Cargad!
Matane!
Glück auf vom Zeche Zollverein. Bye bye.
Tschüss und bis zum 27. März.